Welcome.
Yes, you are.
Good afternoon, APM.
Good afternoon.
Wow, good afternoon.
Thank you.
Good
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good night, depending on where you are joining us from. We appreciate everyone that is here today and everyone that is watching. We appreciate those before us, our leader, Ujuku, and Philip Efiong. Without them, I don't know what could have been our fate as the people. You know, we always want to remember their good deed, the exemplary life that they have set or lived before us. Deep down in our hearts, we appreciate them, and we always appreciate them. Before our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came on board, without them, they allowed us to let us know what is going to happen. They allowed us to let us know what Madam Fodio agenda is. We really appreciate them. And our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he's been kidnapped since 2021 from Kenya. We all know the reason why.
Yes.
Please, for those that will say, why are we using this as a talking point? Whatever we do, we always will remember them.
Yes.
Whatever we are doing, we always remember them. We always talk about them, pray for them, for their quick release. Just as I'm saying, our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, still remains Biafran's greatest teacher.
Yes.
He taught us about unity. He tried the best he can to bring all Biafrans together, from Igodo Muigodo to Lower Benue and Kogi. He's not a divider, he's a unifier.
Yes.
That's who he is. And our Prime Minister likewise followed the same footstep. These two great leaders will not abandon them or forget about them. That can never happen. We'll keep fighting for what they hold so dear. We'll keep fighting to make sure that this fire will keep burning. We'll keep fighting to alert the entire world.
Yes.
The reason why Biafra needs to be free.
Yeah.
And to also let the world know about the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya and the so-called questioning that our Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa was called in Finland is political motivated.
Yeah.
They did not call our Prime Minister to hand him over butter and bread. Not for his own personal business dealing.
No.
Rather for Biafra.
Biafra.
And our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, was kidnapped from Kenya, not because of his own personal dealing.
No.
Rather, it's all about Biafra.
Biafra.
For Biafra and for the freedom of Biafra. Yesterday, we have a fundraising, and today here we are again. And 2 days ago, we have a protest in Washington, D.C., and we have some delegates that represent Biafrans there as well. We're never going to be tired.
No.
In our dream, in our sleep, when we walk on the street, whatever we are doing, We'll keep fighting for the freedom of Biafran people. Biafran people deserve to be free.
Yeah.
No matter the enemies within and the enemies outside, we must be free. There's some couple audio that I listened to today. I'm not a fan of that. But, it's kind of disappointing that you have people that are supposed to be great men of valor of Biafra. You see them behaving like little kids. It's hard. Some don't even know how to reason. It's not their fault. Some of these people are Fulani born in Biafra. And some of them, the Nigerian terrorist state, have damaged their brain. They don't reason or think properly. And the same people that are fighting me today, they fought our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before. Then after our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped, they turn around and start praising him again. The same people that are fighting me today, they fought against our Prime Minister Mazi Simon. They call him name. They even said Tinubu have paid him off so that for this fool call Obi, for Obi not to win. They call him all manners of names. They slander him, destroy his name. No manner of lies or no type of lie that they did not label against him. And it's happening in our very own eye today. All these people that are fighting against our freedom, what will it benefit or profit them to see our land overrun by these terrorist blood monsters? Money has me. Two days ago, what will it profit all the saboteurs, all the evil ones? Watching your people being killed, massacred by terrorists and a terrorist state called Nigeria. We have this fool called Alan Onyema. Alan Onyema made his money from negotiation he carried out between the Nigerian terrorists and the Niger Delta Niger militants. That's where he made his money from. He should be ashamed of himself. He able to make a lot of money. For him to use that to open a big enterprise, having an airline is not a joke. It costs a lot of money. So they have brought him on board again to come and destroy the Biafran people, to come and stop our freedom. Alan Onyema, you are a coward, you know that. That's 2 billion on how much the Nigerian terrorist state have given you to use that to destroy the freedom of Biafra. Why not use that money to help the Biafran people that are in difficulty? Why not use that money to bring all Biafrans that have run from their house, from a Hiamufu, that are now living in IDP camp? Why don't this fool use that money to bring them back to their house, to give them a better house, to give them a second chance of life? Why not this fool use the same money to help Biafrans that Hope Ozadema have bombed their house, their businesses, in Olu, in Owerri. When Biafra is fully restored, after we have totally regained our sovereignty, all these people must not go unpunished. If you are listening to me, if you identify your enemy, whether within or not, whatever you can do to bring that person down, if you can bring that individual down. If not, they will take your life. If not, they will kill you. We Biafrans have been massacred enough. The genocidal war killed over 5 million Biafrans. Over 3 million innocent children were starved to death. If you don't feel the pain that your people have been massacred over 5 million, and these people that are massacred are your fellow Biafrans, your uncles, your nephews, your brothers, your mothers, your fathers. No matter the dialect. Passion, yeah, they use all that to deceive difference. Is it the way? These people mean no good for us. If we have the opportunity and we come across any logistic to get these people out of the way, we'll do it. Our freedom is in our hand, my fellow Biafrans. If you don't go after them, they will come after you. Now that they are not reachable, they are coming after us every day. Every day in Biafra land. Ozodima, Soludo, that Fulani, Soludo. Mba, ask all these people, what have they done to prevent the killing in Biafra land? No, they haven't done nothing. Rather, they are the one bringing these terrorists. They are the one bringing these terrorists. So do you want to tell me that if we have opportunity, or if somebody like me, I have the chance, lay my hand, or anyhow I'm able to get across to these people, let them breathe for a second, because they are very wicked people. That is why this fool that ran for president before called Obi said that Nigeria breed criminals. Just think about it for a second. What did this man, Peter Obi, what did he mean? That Nigeria breed criminals. And another criminal called Goodluck Jonathan said, it's not a country, it's a shithole, it's a scam. Nigeria is a 419 fraud scam. Nigeria is never a country. Why are we making things very difficult? 140 years ago, who are we? Are we Nigerians? 150 years ago, who are we? Are we Nigerians? 200 years ago, who are we? The marriage has lasted over 100 years and we decide to say we cannot continue, but it's not working. My fellow citizens, fellow Biafrans, please, I encourage everyone to set their eyes on the ball. Set your eyes on the goalpost. That is where you need to put the ball over the net. Our enemy still remains the Nigerian terrorist country, and the Fulani herdsmen that their forefather, Ospad and Fordio, have sworn that they will wipe us out of the surface of the earth, and they will take over our land. And they said that we are their subject. I don't know how that happened. Who tell them that? You are not fighting our enemies. You are fighting those that are pioneering this great cause. Shame on you. And for those that have turned me to be their problem, from Imam Madu and his group with Ngozi Orabeze, shame on all of you. Less than a year ago, Mazio Gechukwu used to be who all of you are singing praises. Wonder shall never end. What changed? Is it the APM that changed? I never changed. Instead, there's more responsibility on me. And I'm doing my best every day. I'll keep doing it. If I step aside, can you handle it? Who among you will carry this load? I remember not quite long ago, one of our sisters from Canada, anytime she come to a fundraising or gathering, she will like, hey, what's the Gamma's yoga? Oh boy. Or is it a Ruby People's Club? Oh, after greeting, thanking everybody, you say, oh, I don't know how we thank you, Mazio Kechi. Even to extent behind closed door, I will go, I say, please stop these phrases. I don't want it. That's not the reason why I'm here. The APM, I never asked for it. Last time I checked, I never asked for it. The finance minister, I never asked for it. Last time I checked. So why are you all so jealous, envy, hatred about me? Every assignment that the Biafran people have given me from day one, I carried out with honesty. And I pledge that I will do my best. And I'm doing it every day. All I ask the Biafran people is to do the needful. Support your freedom. Your freedom will not be given to you in a platter of good. It won't be handed over to you. If you think the Nigerian terrorist state will come one day, will be on a round table, and they will say, Biafran people, you people will be free tomorrow, next tomorrow. It's a lie. We will fight it out. We will fight. I got log. We all know how corrupt Nigeria is. How do you think Nigeria will just hand over our freedom to us? We are dreaming then. We'll fight. The war that is going in Biafra land today, do you know the reason why the media don't report it? Even this gutter shit media called CNN fake news. CNN, do you know why they don't report it? Because they have been bought, they have been paid. Nigeria have bought them over. All the media, gutter media in Nigeria, they don't report the killing in Biafra land. But go to Gaza, you see CNN running their mouth. That's why our president Trump called them fake, very fake, like BBC. What happened around this zone? My fellow citizens, the CNN reported, the BBC reported. That tells you that by bondage, we need to free ourselves from this bondage. We are in a serious bondage. And they have planted a lot of saboteurs in our midst. They keep springing up every day. Why not the temporary government woman is going now? Another good thing up again. It's like they are not happy seeing what is happening. Without even waiting a minute for us to get ourselves together. After what happened since November now, this government of Biafra nearly crumbled. If not for somebody like me, if not for somebody like Minister of Information, Mazi Sonia Barawa, if not like somebody like Mazi Mobi, Bishop Comfort, Chinyere Apu, Mazi Menike, our Honorable Law from New York, and many of us here that I cannot keep calling all the names, if not, we'll be here all day. We survived the shock because we didn't see it coming and we're not prepared. Then we have to readjust to make sure we repel the attack of the evil ones. All of a sudden, we have this group that wants to bend me over so I can kiss their ass and do whatever they want me to do. When I was nominated to be the acting prime minister, I say the way it is. I never back down to anyone. Rather, I focus on the job of working for Biafra people, and I love it. Nobody forced me to do what I'm doing. I have never been paid one agent or even half agent. And I have never taken even one or half a J the money of Biafra people. Rather, I work my ass out. I work really hard. Hard working Biafra. And the country United States of America, of which I'm proudly to be a proudly citizen as well. They love Biafrans like me. We make it happen here. We create jobs. We run businesses. For those on the social media that have fallen from the right direction from the wrong path, shame all of you. Just before November last year, all of you are singing praises of Mazi Oge Chukwunkere. All of a sudden, the same man that now you all have ganged up to bring me down, to tear everything apart. But remember that bringing me down will have affect everything we are doing. Is that what we want, Biafra? Those that will destroy Mazi Oge Chukwunkere, I'm here in our beautiful office. Where are you now? Show me where you are. I'm in center of what we are doing. That is why you need to hold me so dear. And I'm doing everything I can. Those that live in Switzerland, are you going to catapult yourself or fly like eagle from Switzerland to present us Washington, DC? Are you going to come from Switzerland to manage and take care of our beautiful office here in the Ocho? Or is it one in New York? There is there's assignment in Washington, DC, and I call one of the SPL members. I asked him if he'll be able to attend. We have been a meeting with the congressman. He said, I will call you back. After 1 hour, 2 hours, he said, no, I'm not going to be able to make it because the time period. But for me, it don't matter what time you wake me up, call me by that middle of the night, I will be there. Can you do what I'm doing? Him that is fighting me. For him that live in Georgia, we have emergency to be in Washington in the next few hours. Can you be there? Or is it in Belgium, Netherlands? Can you catapult yourself to the epicenter where it's happening? We strongly believe our recognition will be coming from the United States of America. If they don't recognize us first, they will play a vital role. What is happening in Nigeria today, all these sanctions and travel bans, do you think, do you know what causes it? It's our activity in Washington. It's sinking in. We'll be having a breaking news next week. We have moved so deep, we penetrate through US, especially from the Congress, and they are getting the message. First time ever. Actually, I'm just try to open something that is not public. First time ever that a committee in Congress have actually taken our written statement to publish it in Congress. Here, if you want to say this,
Anakukwa Keba.
say this, the coin of Biafra.
Yes.
Why these people are fighting me? They sponge me after this. Yes, but sitting in the office. I wish I could use this camera. I should have the office. Oh boy. Biafra is here. Yes. Congress, they take the written statement to us. We highlight a lot about our leader, Mazin Namdeka, our prime minister, and everything. And this will be the first time ever. It's going to be a big news once they publish it after. But they already have it, so it's not time to share the link. So that all these they're on the mass which will get everywhere. Oh God. My fellow citizens, our freedom is and don't let you keep doing what you are doing. You know yourself. If you are genuine, you know who you are. And for the saboteurs, keep doing what you do. The more you guys keep doing your sabotage, we'll be getting stronger and we'll be getting chaos. But it's a shameful thing that instead of supporting this great movement, some have decided to tear it apart, thinking they know it all. I got a video of one of the fallen angels. It was nothing about how we have changed everything, changed the address. I'm like, this guy is really come. You don't have this work. But we thank God that if what happened have not happened, how will you know that such person have this low mentality, low IQ? It's all about being smart and critical thinking. It's not about the grammar, the English, or whatever you speak. With all this grammar, grammatical professors, doctors, all this intelligence, they are there. Why the Fulani that barely take shower, take their bath, are running out of village? You can't do nothing with all that, because with all that education some acquire, they are still sensitive, nonsensical people. As one send this to them.
Yes, speak.
It's all about critical. Do that. You think I know I'm not like him. Some of the intellectuals don't know nothing. They don't know. I'm so disappointed in some. Break my heart. Break my heart. So, they said, we expose you. Hold on, expose, go where? That's the question. How will somebody expose you from the house that you are part and parcel from the you are part and parcel to build it. Is it possible?
No.
Can someone chase you out of your house? Bring it. It's our house. Don't lie. We have to see me to your own house. Yeah. Yeah. After this group that said they have responded, that they expelled, first of all, is suspension. They wait after 1 or 2 days, they readjust themselves. They say, no, let's go and expel. So we have expelled. That is not enough. They came back again. They said they are expunged. Again, what have they brought, or what have they to the table for almost a month now? Nothing. Nothing. Why are you doing that this week? We are written with some written testimony to Congress, United States of America, the leader of the free world. I'm glad and I'm happy to say they are the leader of the free world. Yes. When US lead, everyone else follow. US is still our pathway to our recognition. Nothing has changed. Our leader, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, identified it. Our Prime Minister, Mazin Samuel as well, identified it. That is why we went to the place. The Finnish embassy was shaking. To say like to the police officer, they close. If they don't release our Prime Minister, we might be going there every week. They will say this is it. They will have to release what is yes. We are on Washington. Okay. They cannot come out their European mentality in Washington. Yeah, they can't go so low to detain a man who would do nothing. He have never committed a crime in Finland. He did not obstruct their justice system there. Why hold him? Just because he's fighting for his people. And the same Finland forgot. They fought for their freedom. The Prime Minister of Finland visits USA like every other week. Finland Prime Minister, what are you doing in the US? They always want to be best ally of the United States of America. Just in case, if Russia comes to kick their ass. Yes, for the backup and support of NATO, of which you play a big role. Please, the Lord Allah do the job that the Biafra people have asked to do. From the one I have been doing it from the bottom of my heart, but it breaks my heart. Those that I hold so dear. Just to hit me. If out of the 12 son of Israel, or Jacob, if they hate Joseph, even sold it to Egypt, so why not do different? Why much hatred? Must we applaud hatred? In this critical time, we conduct those that hate us, those that have come to destroy this movement, hold them accountable. And we have won those that are using BRGIE to become funded. Those that are supposed to use BRGIE for any media campaign, if you are not authorized, desist from using BRGIA. It's almost a month now, over a month. Please adhere to this one. From this Samaria, Suibu. They are one what is adhere. You guys understand me clearly. You just want to destroy my name. Capture me. But just months ago, I'm a champion. Nothing that you are doing to me today that have never happened to a prime minister or a leader, Martin Namdekan.
Yes.
But whatever you are doing, especially these saboteurs, you guys are keep strong. They are pure and keep repeating it. I hope you all are ready very soon. And there's some kepu, there's some ahead. They're planning to sue me. Sue you here. Sue you, sue me under BRGIE or under gossip party government or under
Under site criminality.
I'm everybody. All these professors like Chioma, the husband, doctor, right? I thought people are smart. These people are brilliant. Oh God. You BRGIE. I'm part of BRGIE. In the beginning. And some of the compools that are preparing to see are not even in BRGIE.
Yes, sir.
You cannot sue me if you don't belong to BRGIE. Go and ask your lawyer how it works. BRGIE will bring USB. BRGIE will bring the real government. You don't register a country. BRGIE is registered as an organization that will bring the real original government. By then, everything will work accordingly. But some of these don't understand it. To extent, they said because of the article that Matoge Chukwunkire is the president, that means he's the president of Biafra. In our bylaw or charter, we don't have anywhere that is designed of being a president. But you can be a president of registration or article.
That's right.
Separating here. All these educated fools. But hurry up. Today, tomorrow, you have to hurry up because I'm coming. Just hurry up. I'm coming. Biafra Republic government in exile will be taking action in no distant time. We have warned them to desist from using BRGIE. Since they have gone astray, all they know how to do is to fight this government, is to try to destroy what we are doing. They should fight harder. And all these foreign angels should desist from joining our lobby. Elias from Moral Global Strategies, they are doing a very, very, very wonderful job. We are pleased to have them. They have taken us to Washington, D.C. more than ever before. Even back in the 60s, we didn't have the chance to get to Union. And there's a lot that is going on that will not be public, not for public consumption for now. But we are close. Biafra is here. If you haven't supported this great cause, please hurry up. Time is coming where we will not be doing freezing. So everything that we have done to fund this great movement will turn to be history. We will now tell story about once upon a time, every Saturday. We used to do this. Very soon, time is coming. We won't be doing this fundraising. So the best you can do now to let the voice be heard, so that you can be accounted among those that support this great cause. Just imagine, without your contribution, no one will probably know who is Mazi Yemeni. No one will probably know our honorable Minister Love. No one will probably know, some of us here, is this contribution. When our name was called, we probably raise our hand, we call our name, we make our donation, we register our presence. It's a privilege and it gives joy. How do you feel when you raise your hand and you call upon and you say you are donating 10 AJ, 20 AJ? How do you feel deep down from your soul? You feel good, you feel great because you know why you are contributing. You know the reason why, because the money is made to save the life of Biafra. Because the money will be used for our freedom diplomatically and our recognition. Why those from Biafra land are happy, even no matter the hardship that the country we are exiting have put in our people into. You see, some are still putting 500, 200,000, 100,000, which joy. Last week we have our town hall meeting of Ikemba. Over 500 people in there gathered together. That's why we decided not to, with the great idea of our Honorable Minister of Information, who know what to do at the right time because of their safety and security. We decided not to aid life. We care about their safety. Please, all those that are fighting me, let me so I can concentrate and give my best for Biafra. Nnamdi is proud of what we are doing, our minister. Because if we let this fire, that means they are there, that what they have done all these years is in vain. If we let this fire quench, I think our prime minister will fail when he comes out to join us. That means we will start all over again. Mamadu takes you and your group and Chika, that double agent that work with Ngozi. You and your group should desist from your evil way. And this old fool, I haven't used that word fool before, I don't know. Shame to you. Since 2023 January, you'll be fighting me. Not all because of sorry. You hate me. I have had several conversations. And I've been in a meeting whereby she thought I was locked out. I hear everything, but she, Ngozi and her group, everything they talked about since January 2023. This evil woman always causes problems everywhere. She's part of what happened to us after our declaration. As support to Ngozi, try to destroy what we're doing. And all of a sudden, she believes she's in BRGIE. I don't know who you are, no, we are in BRGIE. I did not restate you. I don't know how that happened with that acting prime minister. Unless you have made a man model, that will fool your prime minister. Or is it Chioma that reinstate you? Anyone that is in any platform that formed by Muhammad and his co-host. Please exit from that platform. You don't need to be. These people, they don't mean well for us. And they are trying, doing everything they can to penetrate our defense. Everything that is going on, BRGIE know about it. I don't know. You have no business to be sending audio to the homeland. Please, all the evil people, all the saboteur, disease from your evil way, very soon, I hope you, Emma, you and your group start getting ready. And Lord, that you all are putting together against, I don't know if it is against Mario Getuku or against BRGIE. Hurry up, I'm waiting. Got you in here. Time. I'm a bad guy. As long as he's getting the freedom of Biafra, yes, let them be bad guy for that. I will hold everybody accountable. The saboteur is over. Over 20 years. The saboteur is over. Was ready, no matter that it was ready, and do what is wrong. The sabotage. Fast forward to our prime minister. The same group that visits him in Finland and is that plots the coup. Thank you, fellow Biafrans. All the rest of me, already coming here. Biafra is here. Support with the Gemma. Do the best you can. All the genuine freedom fighters, you know yourself. Please keep fighting. And for all the support from Allen Onyema and Co. Very soon, there will be no hiding place. And we still remind those that are thinking of 2027 election in Biafra land, not the same Biafra. We are not conducting any election. And with your help, your support, we can make it happen. Please send message across to those in Biafra land about the program from Allen Onyema. They should not fall for that scam. Allen Onyema and his group, they are not welcome in Biafra land. Whoever have opportunity to do needful. Before BRGIE APM, if you have the money to support your freedom, do it. So that they don't kill us all. We must fight for our freedom all over the world, all over the four corners of the world. You see people fighting for freedom. If freedom is given, you will see Israel fighting with Hamas. If freedom is given, you will not see Ukraine and Russia fighting because it's not given. If we fold our hand thinking that Nigeria government will allow us go freely without putting up a fight, we are joking. So that's why we need to fund our freedom. Thank you all from here.
All right.
APM invited me to accompany him to Washington, D.C. But on the way, NEPA take light. NEPA take light on the way.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
NEPA
To support
is
you. We want to be seeing you.
That's right. That's right.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
We are here.
You guys want to hear this one?
I said, report me back to the office.
I don't know before the 2025 guy came up. The program says, look at Ogechukwu Nkere. how he's wearing suits, dressing up, because he's now chopping their money. So Sonny, now they bought you over. Now you see how you're shining. Also, no wedding.
No, it's not your APM.
I said that.
Member APM member member APM member and let them cry. You are our APM. Nobody will pick it up from you. You are the APM.
You know,
if any of them meet up the challenge or the requirement, I can handle it. When you are able to let the person take it. Yes, it's not.
Thank you so much. Can you quick to call our brother Rage and Fury?
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah, greetings. Greetings to you, our honorable Prime Minister. I use you as a presenter to greet all our beloved leaders. Greetings to all our mothers that are here present. You've heard. The Bible says, how wonderful, how glorious.
Recognize Biafra. It's a process. Remember the delegate from Somaliland when he told U.S. Congress last month.
yes.
You know, just the same way we'll be going. Some are saying we just go and take pictures. Do you think you will go and record conversation? Some of these were so secretive. It's not something that will be public. And they expect us to record it. And I know that there's some members of Congress that we have pictures with. They warn us, don't post it. They follow what we are doing. One time our Prime Minister had a meeting with a member of Congress, I don't want to mention them. And our Prime Minister posted they say bring it down. Yes, and some of us, some don't know. This happened last year in August. And they said bring it down because most of the meetings don't supposed to be public here. Yes, just for example, if we have discussion going on, maybe discussing about something very sensitive, and we'll now record it and post it, so Nigerian government will be what we're talking. Come on, you're joking. No. Like this Somali representative, we saw the pictures. Do they show you any of the conversation that was recorded and posted? No. Especially when you're fighting for freedom, everything is very sensitive, and there's something we do have that can never just be in public. No, it can never be. So just like security back home, there's some things, stuff that's happening. It's very sensitive. But we have a lot of nincompoos among us. So that I use that word, nincompoos. Everything will be in public. You don't let your enemy know your last card. You don't want the enemy to know what card you're going to play to win the game. Yeah. So please, we have to know that we are fighting to free ourselves. We have to be careful. Not everything we want to be in public. And those accountability that want everything in public. One day, that old winch, I have to call her winch now. No. She will go one day and print and bring everything they are doing in secret and go to one of that program and bring it over now. So this is how it happens. Is that the kind of person you want to keep secret for you? Is that we have to be careful. I'm just going to reassure Biafra again. I'm a living witness. I've been in Washington, I think, more than a lot of us for now. Biafra is here. So we don't have to hurry up.
We see everybody coming out from Capitol Hill Club House. So you're going. I don't know, one American, one of the lawmakers or whatever raise one of his finger up for you. So keep going, keep quiet, and keep secret. Thank you.
Thank you. There's a lot of things that need to be secret, and even if U.S. government found out that everything will be discussed in public, not yet. So when you get to things that will be public, will be public. So not everything be public. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
APM, can you hear me? Sorry, network here is, but I think accountability group wanted you to record senators and congressmen like Ngozi recorded our discussion with the attorneys and senators and when we were discussing about Biafra.
If that happened, they're done with us. They're not going to trust us. They will say we are not ready. Yes, because there's things, anything that will be in public, the media will be there and they will make it public. There's some meeting that is not just public. And there's this one, a congressman, I think this, I can say publicly, one of the congressmen. He told me, he said, he knows everything we are doing in Washington. He's supporting us. But this never allowed me to take a picture with him. So, yes, there's some things, not just for, there's a lot of sensitive things, and we have to remain sensitive. Thank you very much. No.